Oh, hi everyone. Hi everyone. I am Vishal and welcome to yet another book haul. So this time we have got a lot of books, 10 or 12, and they are really beautiful. So these books are from Kids Bookstore. So I think I ordered around 20 books and I received 10 or 11. The others will arrive soon. So let me show you some of the books. So we have got this. Then the big book, another big book by Usborne, 10 Little Mice, See Inside Space, Foxwood Tales, The Great Dinosaur Search, and Dinosaur Detective Needs Your Help. So this time I do have got a lot of very beautifully illustrated books. I hope you will enjoy this book flip through and book haul. So enjoy the music and the book flip through. Welcome to another book haul. So this book haul contains 20 books that I ordered from Kids Bookstore India, and it arrived a little bit late. So let's start with checking out the books that I have got. And where should I open it from? So earlier I used to cut open the parcels carefully so as to not cause much damage to the packet, but now I just open it. So we have got a lot of books, and usually with the kids book store you get a free pack of oil pastels. So yeah, this is the free. Now let me adjust the camera once again, and now let's unwrap this. So this is the freebie that I got, Dom's wax crayons. And now let's see the books. Fantastic Beast coloring activity books. And so let's divide it into various categories and then we'll do the flip through. So this is coloring book. This is a hardcover, 10 Little Mice. Another hardcover, Foxwood Treasury. A paperback, the Alfie Out of Doors. Big Book of Animals, a hardcover. Big Book of Sea Creatures. See Inside Space. Rescue Mission. So we have got a lot of hardcovers. How do dinosaurs get well? Show soon. And lastly, The Great Dinosaur Search. So these are not 20 books, I think 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. For now, let's start with the flip through. First book, Fantastic Beasts and Where to Find Them, coloring and creativity book. So here we have got Queen Goldstein, The Damaged House, Jacob, koala ski, the magical wands. We have got a one colored one, the niffler, newt scamander, okami. Now, how do dinosaurs get well shown? So, I have another book by the same illustrator, and they have beautiful illustrations. So, let's see what do we have in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 19. 10 illustrations of dinosaurs. So, we have got Sty, Styracosaurus. Which dinosaur is this? No names mentioned. It's Gallimus, and this one is, can't find the name. The illustrations are quite beautiful, vibrant, and detailed. And third paperback, the big Alfie, the big storybook Alfie Out of Doors. So I bought this book for the main, for illustrations, and the illustrations are quite beautiful. And now let's dive into the hardbacks. The kind of illustrations that I love. So, yeah, quite complex and difficult, yet beautifully illustrated. So this is the first book. Next we have the Great Dinosaur Search. Illustrated by Studio Galanti and Inklink Foirens. Next we have See Inside Space with over 50 flaps to lift and little books of star maps. Okay, so that's how they make 50 flaps. Quite thick, but not many pages. The Foxwood Treasury. Another beautifully illustrated book. So I do have one more book by Foxwood. Foxwood. I think it's Foxwood Regita. Then we have 10 Little Mice. Cute little mices. And the last two books. So let's start with this. Just look how big the illustration of the whale is. So here we got another big illustration. And lastly, the big book of big animals. Just look at how big the biggest animal is. You've got birds. And that's all. Out of 20 books we have got only 10, and all of them are amazing. So see you in next video with more amazing content. Peace. Thank you for watching the whole video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you want me to know that you have reached it, and if you want me to know that you have reached up to here, just comment rabbits or dinosaur and let me know which one was your favorite book. Also, if you have any feedback, ideas or suggestion, or if you want me to cover any other topic, let me know in the comment section. So until next time, you can check out the other book flip through and book haul. I'll link the playlist up here and down in the description. And thank you for spending your precious time with me. See you in the next video. Peace.